So it's not a co-working space. So my name is Judith. I'm Director of People and I work at CareerFoundry. Our mission is to basically enable everyone to find a career they love, and we do that by offering online courses for people to career change into tech. We moved here about a year ago into the factory, and we really like it here. We love it. We love the community aspect, and I think the reason for us to come here was exactly that, like being able to meet like-minded people, networking, being close to more innovative companies and people that are open-minded and willing to kind of exchange and meet with each other. Community is really important for us because we're an online school, right? So we need to find the right ways to engage our students and offer them platforms to communicate. We took a lot of initiative and put a lot of effort into creating a diverse and inclusive environment. So it's really nice to see that internally as well as in our student community we have a lot of diversity. About 90% of people that study with CareerFoundry find a job afterwards if they run through the whole program. And also 67% of people identify as female and finish our courses, so that's really something to be proud of. I would describe Factory as a community of like-minded people. Everyone I've met here was really friendly and open, and I enjoy my time here. I like going to the cafeteria, hanging out outside, and I think there's really good vibes and good service, and it's a really good place to be.